top 3 marketing tools for data analytics, with which you will spend less time on analytics and do it more efficiently.
Number 1. Tableau. Convert text and numbers into interactive dashboards. It connects to various data sources, offers team collaboration, and has a user-friendly interface. Number 2. Imprivado. Automate the collection of marketing, sales, and revenue data for analysis. This platform connects to more than 500 platforms, provides detailed data, and offers control over data flow. Number 3. Fivetran. Collect and analyze data without technical knowledge. The setup takes only 5 minutes. Replicate data from databases, events, applications, and files into high-performance data warehouses.
But if you need more customized and convenient software with all the tools and fast access, fill out a form on our website and we will contact you.